First of all, there's going to be volatility around the current war. The reason why we saw the market bottom on March 30th is because peak escalation of the war, we believe, is behind us. And so do investors. And that's why we saw this huge move up to highs and tremendous moves in the Mag 7 stocks and the S&P, which was up 12.5% from its low. The Mag 7 stocks up 20%. So you're going to get digestion here in regards to markets. And that's what we're seeing today. So investors have to just be patient here. I do believe we could trade sideways here because it was just a massive move to the upside from the bottom.
I mean, we heard last week about warnings from Europe of jet fuel shortages, flights having to be cancelled going forward. How is that impacting airline stocks today?
It's going to be difficult. It's going to be volatile because of the price of oil, right? So if the price of oil stays at this level we're seeing, it even does move higher, then it's going to be a problem overall for airline stocks. From an airline perspective, and one of the things you can do from an investment perspective is there any opportunities like, for example, Delta, which is a really well-run airline. If there's an opportunity of volatility in that company, then I would look to be an investor in Delta and any type of volatility to the downside.
I mean, we've got a lot going on this week. Kevin Warsh, Trump's pick to be the next Fed chair. His Senate confirmation hearing is tomorrow. Tesla and Boeing are both among those reporting earnings this week. We've got some economic data from retail sales and others. What is going to drive the markets this week? Is it that, or is it going to be geopolitics?
Geopolitics is still front and center right now for investors, just to see if this war will escalate even worse than we've seen in the beginning periods. But, which again, I do think peak escalation is behind us. I think the announcement of Tesla is going to be interesting as it relates to AI and their investment and the return on investment and many other technology companies going forward. So I think now investors are went from focusing on the war now to focusing on earnings overall.